Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my nail process from start to finish. So I'm going to show you my prep, my application, my filing, and my design. And for the design, I'm going to be doing something that's super easy but super pretty. And this will be great for beginners and just for anyone who wants to achieve this look. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the prep. I'm only going to be showing you for the entire video what I do to my thumb, but everything I do to my thumb I do to the rest of my fingers as well. I just want to save on time on this video. So I'm starting off with my cuticle pusher, and I'm going to push back my cuticles. After that, you want to scrape up any dead cuticle that is left on the nail plate. After that, you want to take something to file your nails, to rough up the surface of your nail. This is my buffer sponge, 100-180 grit. I'm going to be using the 100 side, which is the rougher side. The next step is going to be to dehydrate the nail. This is my Model 1's nail prep dehydrator. This is just going to dehydrate and cleanse the nail of any natural oils because that could cause lifting. Next, I'm using my Young Nails Protein Bond. This is a primer. Primer is just going to help adhere the product to your natural nail. With this, you want to make sure not to oversaturate your nail, and also do not get it on the skin. I'm going to go ahead and base coat my nails. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. For the extension, I'm going to be using Kiara Sky Soft Gel Full Cover Tips instead of like traditional half tips or forms. So the next few steps are going to look a little bit different. Here I'm using the Kiara Sky Builder Gel to bond the tip to my natural nail. For easy curing, I'm using the Kiara Sky Pro Lamp. And I also want to throw this in here. I would love to know if you guys are interested in seeing a video where I use forms or half tips. Let me know if you're interested in that. I totally do it. Right here, I am using that buffer sponge again to remove the shine from the tip. And then everything kind of continues as normal. We'll go into the application process. Alright, so I have the tips on now, and just to make sure that the polygel adheres to the tips, I'm doing a coat on top of the tips. Alright, so I have my base coat on. Now I'm going to move on to the polygel. What I'm using to build up the strength is my Acrogel Professional Tiffany's Pink Polygel. I bought this from the Model 1's website, even though it doesn't say anywhere on here that it's from Model 1's. That's where I got it from. And I'm using Tiffany's Pink, which is a really pretty glittery pink color. It's so pretty. And it's a little dirty, so I apologize for that. But it's just so pretty. So I'm going to be using this. I have my slip solution off to the side. This is just alcohol. And I'm going to be using my Macart Polygel brush. So I have a video on how to build an apex, and a lot of people have found that video super helpful. So I'm going to be using the same method I do in that video, which is the 2 bead method, which in short, you just apply a tip bead, which is what I just did, and then you're going to pat it into place, spinning it to the tip. And after you cure this bead, you're going to go in with a cuticle bead. So I'm just patting it into place. That is so pretty. Once I'm done, I'm going to cure this for about 60 seconds. Alright, so the cuticle bead goes above the cuticle. And you're just going to fit this around the cuticle, and you're going to make sure that you leave a little bit of thickness in the middle, just for strength of the nail. And you thin out your sidewalls. In the video that I have on the apex, it is super in-depth. Like, I tell you exactly where to move your brush, and I tell you how to maneuver the product. I'm not going to be doing that too much in this video, but my apex video is super detailed. So if that's something you are interested in learning more about, go ahead and check out that video. The apex is the thickest point of the nail, and it's there for strength, so your nails don't break in the fragile areas. I'm giving that a 60-second cure as well. Alright, so here's what it's looking like. And I do want to mention that at this point, you can use whatever polygel you want. I'm going to be using clear polygel on these two fingers because I don't want them this color. These are the fingers I'm going to be showing you the design on. So just know that it's the same process. I just happen to use a glitter colored polygel. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do the rest of my fingers, even this hand, and then I will come back once all my nails are done, including the clear nails. So for this filing, I'm going to be reshaping my nails to get that coffin shape back a little bit sharper with a hand file. This is an 80/80 grit file. And then I'm probably going to be using my BT Art Box drill to file the surface of all my nails just for fast filing. So let's get into it. I'm using my Macart dust collector to catch all the dust. This machine gets pretty loud, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some music over top of this clip just so that it's less annoying for you guys. So I'm gonna be using my fine grit ceramic barrel drill bit. That was kind of hard to say, but I'm gonna be using that to file the surface of my nails after they're reshaped. Alright you guys, so the camera just cut off and didn't catch me buffing and polishing this one nail, so that's where I'm starting from. They're filed, they're buffed, and now we're ready for gel polish. I'm using my Model 1's 007 color. This came in a collection of their nude gel polishes. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 coats on each finger. Alright, so here what the 2 coats are looking like. This is the look I'm going to be showing you. I did it on my opposite hand just to kind of practice. These turned out so cute. So these are just cheetah print nails, and I used a similar pink color with some black to achieve it. You can do this with nail polish. I ended up using gel polish, but it's so easy. You're going to need your 2 colors, your dotting color and your outlining color. This is my Model 1's gel pop. You're also going to need some dotting tools. These are very inexpensive, but you could also just use a bobby pin because bobby pins have that same type of like bulb at the end. So first we're going to do our dotting color, which is that pink. I'm going to leave it like this. Gather some on the brush, or this isn't the brush, the tool. And we're just going to dot anywhere. And these are going to be like irregular dots. Let me zoom in. These dots can be irregular. I prefer them to be irregular. I don't want them perfect circles. I'm gonna go ahead and do both of them. This is gel polish, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. Alright, all cured. So now moving on with this black gel polish. And as you can see on these, I outlined it on like the opposite ends of the dot. Sometimes I went all the way around, but really you just want to make it your own. And I'm just using a smaller dotting tool. And then I also like to just add some random spots in. I think it just adds to it. I don't think it's enough to just outline the pink spots. And there you go, so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and cure these, and then we're ready for top coating all the nails. So cute. I'm using my SXC top coat, and I'm top coating all the nails. Alright, I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Alright, here they are. They are so pretty. I love the way these turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do these nails from start to finish. I hope that you guys try your cheetah print nails. They're so easy and so pretty. So I am going to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, bye.